Question number 1. Hexose monophosphate pathway is also called as monophosphate pathway, pentose phosphate pathway, hexose phosphate pathway, ribose phosphate pathway. Answer is option B, pentose phosphate pathway. Question number 2. Citric acid cycle essentially involves the oxidation of acetyl-CoA to CO2 and H2O, O2, H2O2, H2. Answer is option A, H2O. Question number 3. Citric acid cycle is also called as glycolysis, Krebs cycle, glycogenesis, glycogenolysis. Answer is option B, Krebs cycle. Question number 4. The operon is the coordinate unit of genetic expression in fungi, bacteria, plants, animal. Correct answer is option B, bacteria. Question number 5. The repressor molecule acts as a regulator of gene expression, positive, binary, neutral, negative. Answer is option D, negative. Question number 6. The structural Z gene of lactose operon is responsible for the synthesis of the enzyme beta-galactosidase, permease, acetylase, amylase. Correct answer is option A, beta-galactosidase. Question number 7. The zinc finger bind to the dash of DNA and lie on the face of the DNA. Minor groove, major groove, single groove, double groove. Correct answer is option B, major groove. Question number 8. Two amphipathic alpha helix segment of protein can form motif and bind to DNA. Helix turn helix, leucine zipper, helix loop, helix, zinc finger. Correct answer is option C, helix loop helix. Question number 9. The overall influence of glucocorticoid on carbohydrate metabolism is to dash blood glucose concentration, increase, decrease, maintain, balance. Answer is increase. Question number 10. Epinephrine and non-epinephrine increase the degradation of glucose, glycogen, protein, amino acid. Correct answer is option B, glycogen. Question number 11. In absence of oxygen, pyruvate is converted into lactate in muscles because lactase is a substance from downstream pathway. Lactate acts as a substrate for the formation of amino acid. During the product of lactate, 2 ATP are produced. During lactate formation, NADH is reconverted into NAD. Answer is option D. During the lactate formation, NADH is reconverted into NAD. Question number 12. During prolonged starvation, which of the following hormone is responsible for increasing gluconeogenesis in liver? Insulin, glucagon, TSH, thyroxine. Answer is option B, glucagon. Question number 30. Gluconeogenesis is the production of glucose from non-carbohydrate molecules. Which of the following is not substrate for gluconeogenesis? Lactate, alanine, glycerol, acetyl-CoA. Answer is option B, alanine. 40. During the conversion of glucose to pyruvate, 2 NADH molecules are generated. Which of the following steps generated NADH? Conversion of fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, conversion of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, conversion of 3-phosphoglycerate to 2-phosphoglycerate, conversion of phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvate. Answer is option B. Conversion of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Question number 50. Which of the following statement is true? Glycolysis can occur only in mammalian cell. No. Glycolysis occur in mitochondria. No. Glycolysis occur in the presence and absence of oxygen. No. Glycolysis occur when ATP concentration high. Is the statement is a false statement. Correct true statement is option C. Glycolysis occur in the presence and absence of oxygen. 60. Which of the following hormone hormone decrease blood glucose and increase uptake of glucose in various tissues like skeletal muscles, adipose tissue, glucagon, epinephrine, cortisol, insulin. Answer is option D, insulin. Question number 17. Which of following glucose transporters are important in glucose independent glucose uptake? Answer is option D, GLUT4. Question number 80. In muscles, the pyruvate is converted into lactate. Find the correct statement. During lactate formation, NAD is reconverted to NAD is the correct statement. During production of lactate, 2 ATP are produced. No. Lactate is a substrate from the downstream pathway. No. Lactate acts as a substrate for the formation of amino acid. Correct answer is option A. Question number 90. What is the net gain of ATP during the conversion of glucose to pyruvate? 2 ATP, 4 ATP, 6 ATP, 1 ATP plus 1 GTP. Answer is 2 ATP. Question number 20. Which of the following enzymes are not involved in galactose metabolism? Galactokinase, glucokinase, galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase, UDP, galactose 4 epimerase. Answer is option B, glucokinase.